गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों। Nowadays India faces a number of problems, economical, political and social, like terrorism, farmer suicide, crime against women, etc. Corruption in bureaucracy, corruption in political parties. We find corruption in government also. But now we have to present here casteism in India, one of the most serious problem. In order to discuss, we have to understand what is social problem. Social problem क्या है? So the term social problem involves two terms: social and problem. Social and problem. Social means concerning society, social structure, social organization, social relationship, and problem means undesirable, improper and difficult situation or behavior. So we can say that social problem are the undesirable, improper and difficult situation or behavior concerning society, relationship and social structure, social organization, social relationship also. We can say that here Bernard, who much wrote on political, social and education. Bernard, he said social problem are the condition which demand so solid often reformative activities in society due to humanity, utility and inactivity. From the above definition, it is clear that social problem is a condition creating crisis in current value of society. Different scholars have presented various diagnoses of social problem. Rao and Selvig discussed often nature of social problem. What is a social problem? He much wrote on social and political also. Rao and Selvig, he said, when the social organization failed to systemize or manage social relationships, resulting in disintegration and disharmony, social problems arise. We hope you have understood what is social problem and nature of social problem. Let us go and talk our topic. Is casteism a social problem, or analysis the evils of casteism also. Introduction. India is a glorious land, but now India faces a number of problems. Caste of India as we know it today had an organic growth the Indian soil. Rabindranath Tagore, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Dayan Saraswati, Vivekanand, later Mahatma Gandhi also moved heaven to earth to remove casteism from our India. But their efforts were fruits to some extent, but the curse has lingered on. India is famous for its ancient custom and tradition. The caste system in India is the paradigmatic and ethnographic. It has origin in ancient India. The caste system consists two different concepts: Varna and Jati. One means literally means type, order, color and class. A framework of grouping people into classes. First used in Vedic Indian society. We find Rigved, दसवां मंडल. जाति जो कभी नहीं जाती. जाति by birth. There are four ones: Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Sudra. What? Thousands of jatis are complex social groups that lack universal definition and characteristics. In ancient time, there were four groups. There were four ones: Brahman, Kshatriya, and Vaishya, Sudra. Brahmin to be studied. Purohit group, Kshatriya, rulers, warrior, army, Vaishya, traders, businessmen, and Sudra, laboring class. In modern India, four groups. Professor groups belongs to Brahmin. We find a lot of professors belong to Brahmins. Army and police belong to Kshatriya. Businessmen belong to Vaishyas and businessmen, and employee group belong to laboring class, Sudra, etc. Now I hope you have understood what is the difference between caste and varna. There is a difference: caste, jati, and varna. Now let us discuss our topic: casteism. Casteism is derived from caste. First of all, we have to understand caste. Then the term caste is not originally an Indian word, though it is now widely used both in India and English societies and Indian languages. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, caste, Portuguese language. Casta is derived from the Portuguese language meaning that race. Caste meaning that race. The sociologist G.C. Gore wrote in 1932. He much wrote on political caste, caste problem, casteism in India, casteism in England, Europe, etc. And Arvind Sharma note caste has been used to refer to both varna and jatis. Who is Arvind Sharma? Arvind Sharma passed MA from Allahabad University, subject in economics, and PhD from Harvard University. He much wrote on sociology, Society of India, and Hinduism. His famous book, Hinduism, Philosophy of Religion. Bavarian, one of the most popular political thinker, public administrator, and sociologist, who wrote caste status by birth, class status by economics, and power status by political network. And he also said that every caste, all castes have hierarchy. We find some are poor, some are lower, some are bigger, some are senior. Every class group, Brahmin, have some lower, higher castes. We hope you have understood what is caste. At Supra, particulars are able to find that casteism is curse for India and Indian society, because casteism ignores and does not care for the interest of other caste. Number one. Number two, it ignores the human values and social welfare. Number three, it hinders the spirit of democracy. For people, by people, from people. Democracy means fraternity, equality, and liberty. It is against the ideal of Indian constitutions. It hinders the process of national integration. integration. Thank you. We hope you have understood what is social problem, nature of social problem, what is casteism, and its characteristics. Thank you. We will meet in next video.